This is how to add watermark in Opus clip. So first thing that you will do is of course upload your video over here on the Opus clip by providing the link or just simply uploading it manually and click on get clips in one click, and it will upload over here to all projects. And once it is done, just simply click on it, and from here you will have multiple clips on the video that you provided. And in order for you to add your watermark, you can just simply click on edit clip over here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go for the static overlay over here on the right side of the screen. So make sure to turn this on, guys. So if it's turned off, you will not be able to see the choose file. So now make sure it is turned on and click on choose file. And now I'll be using our logo as a watermark and click on open. And now from here, guys, just simply wait for it to upload and it will automatically add into our video. So now just simply click on it. And now you can resize it by clicking on this black circle icon. And from here, just simply put it on the right place and you should be able to add a watermark. And from here, it will show up on all of the video until the end. And once you are done, just simply go ahead and click on save on the top right corner of the screen. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.